Welcome back, students. So in this video we will discuss how magnets can be used to find directions. How magnets can be used to find direction. Okay. So a freely suspended magnet will comes to rest in the north-south direction. A freely suspended magnet will comes to rest in the north-south direction. What is the reason for that? That we will discuss first. The reason is that the earth itself behaves like a bar magnet, like a huge magnet with its magnetic poles near the geographical north and south pole. The earth itself acts as a magnet with its poles at the north and the south poles. So, the earth will behave like a huge bar magnet whose magnetic poles is near the geographical south and north pole. The north pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical south pole. The north pole of the bar magnet is near the geographical south pole and the south pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical north pole. So, the earth will act as a magnet and its north pole and south pole is a geographical north and south pole. So, the north pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical south pole and the south pole of this bar magnet is near the geographical north pole. In a freely suspended magnet, here the geographical pole points the geographical in a freely suspended magnet, therefore the north pole points towards the geographical north pole since it is attracted by the earth's magnetic south pole. Similarly, the south pole of a suspended magnet is attracted by the earth's north pole and therefore it points in the geographical south pole. So, in a freely suspended magnet, the north pole of the magnet points towards the geographical north pole since it is attracted by the earth's magnetic south pole. Similarly, the south pole of the suspended magnet is attracted by the earth's magnetic north pole, therefore it points in the geographical south pole. Now, a compass is used to find the direction. A compass needle is used to find the direction. So, this property, that is when a magnet is suspended freely, it points in the north-south direction. That property is used to find the direction with the help of magnetic compass needle. With the help of magnetic compass needle. Magnets were first used as compasses for showing direction. A compass consists of a magnetic needle pivoted at a point so that it is free to rotate about that point. The needle points in the north-south direction provided it is kept away from any other magnet or magnetic material. It can therefore be used to determine directions. It is especially useful for sailors. So, that is about magnetic compass. Magnetic compass consists of a small magnet. So, that magnet will be pivoted at a point so that it can align in the north-south direction. So, it can align, it will always align in the north-south direction. So, the needle of the magnet points in the north-south direction provided it is kept away from a magnet or from magnetic material. So, therefore, this can be used to determine directions. and it is especially useful for sailors. So, a compass is usually a small box with a glass cover on it. A small magnet is pivoted, that is in the form of a needle, is pivoted inside the box which can rotate freely. A compass also has a dial with directions marked on it. The compass is kept at a place where we wish to know the direction. Its needle indicates in the north-south direction when it comes to rest. The compass is then rotated until the north and south marked on the pole are at the two ends of the needle. Now, you have to rotate the compass in such a way that the north and south marked on the needle are at the two ends of the needle. To identify the north pole of the magnetic needle, it is always painted in a different color. So, this one is a magnetic compass. This one is a magnetic compass. So, this is a north pole of the magnetic compass. Normally, it is colored in different, or it is painted in different color. Okay. Normally, it is painted in red color. To identify it, that is a north pole of the magnetic compass. So, this one is enclosed in a box. It's covered with a glass, and marking are there on the dial. From this compass needle, we can find the direction. So, if you want to know the direction, its needle indicates in the north-south direction. The compass is then rotated until the north and south marked on the needle are at the two ends of the needle. To identify the north pole of the magnetic needle, it is usually painted in a different color. So, that is about magnetic compass, and it is used by sailors to find direction. Nowadays, GPRS, so many things are there to find the directions, but in olden days that is not there. So, they will use magnetic compass to find the direction. Now, before the invention of this magnetic compass, normally we use directions with the help of the stars or constellations. Okay. So, why we are preferring a magnetic compass over the stars to find direction? The reason is that to find direction through stars is confusing, as well as it is not accurate. When we find the direction with the help of the stars, sometimes it may lead to confusions. So, in order to avoid that, we can use compass needle to find the direction. Okay. That is about magnetic compass.